Welcome to this tutorial on New-LocalUser, a PowerShell Cmdlet for creating user accounts. In this video, you'll learn how to create local user accounts programmatically on Windows systems. This is an essential skill for system administrators who need to automate user management tasks. Let's dive in and explore how this powerful Cmdlet works. New-LocalUser is a PowerShell Cmdlet designed specifically for creating new local user accounts on Windows systems. It provides three key capabilities. First, it automates the entire user account creation process, saving you time and reducing manual errors. Second, it allows you to set passwords and descriptions right when you create the account. Third, it lets you configure various account properties all in one command. This makes it much more efficient than creating users through the graphical interface. The basic syntax of New-LocalUser is straightforward. You start with the Cmdlet name, followed by the -name parameter with your desired username in quotes. Then, you add the -password parameter with a secure password variable. The name parameter is required and specifies what the username will be. The password must be a SecureString object, which is PowerShell's way of handling sensitive data securely. You cannot simply pass a plain text password directly to this parameter. Before creating a user, you need to convert your password into a SecureString object. You do this using the convert to -SecureString Cmdlet. Store the result in a variable like $password. The -string parameter takes your plain text password. You must include the dash as plain text parameter to specify you're converting from plain text, and the -force parameter to confirm this action. While this example shows a plain text password for demonstration, in production environments you should prompt for passwords or retrieve them from secure vaults. Let's look at a simple, complete example. First, create the secure password by storing the convert to -SecureString result in a variable called $PWD. Then, call New-LocalUser with the -name parameter set to John Doe and the -password parameter set to your $PWD variable. This creates a basic local user account with just a username and password. The account is created immediately and can be used to log into the system. New-LocalUser supports several useful parameters beyond the required name and password. The -description parameter lets you add a text description explaining the account's purpose. The -FullName parameter sets the user's complete display name, which appears in the user interface. The -account never expires parameter prevents the account from expiring automatically. And the -password never expires parameter stops Windows from requiring password changes. These parameters help you configure accounts exactly how you need them during creation. Here's a more comprehensive example that uses multiple parameters. After creating your secure password variable, you call New-LocalUser with the -name parameter set to J. Smith. On the next line, add the -password parameter with your password variable, then the -FullName parameter with Jane Smith. The -description parameter identifies this as a marketing manager account. Finally, include the -password never expires switch. Notice how the backtick character at the end of each line continues the command across multiple lines for better readability. This single command creates a fully configured user account. Let's recap the key points. First, New-LocalUser automates user creation, making it faster and more consistent than manual methods. Second, always use SecureString for passwords to handle credentials securely. Third, you can configure multiple properties during creation using various parameters, saving you additional configuration steps later. Finally, combine New-LocalUser with add-local group member to assign users to groups and define their roles. This gives you complete control over user provisioning through PowerShell. With these skills, you can efficiently manage local user accounts in any Windows environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.